Hey guys, Anna's Best Buys here. Today I have got myself this V5 virtual reality headset. Now this is compatible with any Android and iPhones. So this is the remote that it comes with. So you just have to plug this into your device and then you can use this with your headset as well. Okay, so you open up the front part of this and then this is obviously where you put your phone in this way facing the glasses and then you close it up. This is all we got from the package. So as you see here, we have the user manual, we have the quick start guide, we actually even have the instructions for the remote control, which is great. Now my daughter has here an iPhone 8 and we're going to place this into the VR headset. So you just open this up and then you make sure you adjust the screen in the middle and then hold it tightly before closing it so it goes right inside. Once you got this, now these are the straps that it comes with and then this is the adjustable one. So you can in fact adjust this onto your head size, whether you have a small one for your kids. Now also another really cool part is if you're wearing glasses like myself, now this little strap in here, or should I say the silicone part, goes right onto your nose. I don't know if you can see this, but this goes and gives you plenty of space for your nose and for your glasses to sit directly on your eyes. This is the button to actually start once you have your phone inserted, and then on the other side here we have those ones. Now these are an adjustment for your lenses, so if you put them together or just adjust it to your own preference, how is best for you, especially if you have glasses again, you have to set this up to make sure that you can see properly inside. So now let's put it onto your head. Again, adjust it up to your preference. Make sure everything is on your head. So it's looped here and then on your sides. And it just goes on really comfortable, really well. Okay, so my daughter just put a 360 Titanic and then we're going to put it into the VR. Just make sure that you're actually watching VR apps or films or games. Just make sure it's VR connected like apps. Otherwise, it won't sync through the effect that it's meant to give you. We love this product. It works really well. It connects to your phone. When you put your phone inside there. Now, any apps, like I mentioned already, make sure that it's actually VR apps that you're watching. But overall, we had a fantastic experience. She did her roller coaster, Titanic boats. You can do so much with